The place that mesmerized the goddess Parvati, the place where the power of a young river was witnessed, and the place where the nature itself justifies the mysteries of divine, was aptly chosen as a seat for the most intricate and the largest temple of the yoginis existing in India. The Chauset Yogini temple of Bheda Ghat in Jabalpur district of Madhya Pradesh stands atop a hill overlooking the river Narmada. As she made her way through the hard marble rocks by cutting a deep gorge through them. The temple of the Chauset Yoginis is an open-air circular temple built by the Kalchuris of Tripuri in the 11th century Common Era. The temple boasts of not 64 but 81 icons of the yoginis with their names as mentioned in the Tantra text inscribed on the pedestal. These icons of the yoginis are life-sized, adorned with beautiful jewelry and intricate details, which makes the onlooker feel as if they are in front of the goddess herself. Though destroyed by the invaders in the later centuries, the temple and the icons still retains enough details to mesmerize the visitors and take them into a different world. Apart from the beautiful images of the yoginis, the open-air circular shrine has a temple in the middle. This temple is currently known as the Gauri Shankar temple. The temple was also destroyed by the invaders and was later revamped by the Maratha and the Bundela rulers. This temple was originally of the god Bhairav, but now houses the statue of Shiva and Parvati seated on a Nandi in its Garbhagriha. The local people, on witnessing this temple, have developed stories around it to justify this imposing architecture. According to them, the temple is actually the procession of Shiva's marriage, and they have stopped at Bheda Ghat. The procession has stopped at Bheda Ghat on account of Parvati liking the scenic beauty of the place. The complete structure, the open-air circular shrine and the temple in middle, with different goddesses overlooking the person, the devotee, surrounding the devotee from all sides, and the Lord Shiva and Goddess Parvati witnessing every act of the devotee from center, makes for an imposing, terrifying, and yet powerful feeling of the divine. गजास्या सिंहवक्त्राचा गृहध्रास्या काकतुंडिका उष्ट्रास्या श्वखरग्रीवा वाराहास्या शिवानना उलूकाक्षी घोररवा मायूरी शरभानना कोटराक्षीचा अष्टवक्रा कुब्जाचा विक्टानना शुष्कोदरी ललजिह्वा श्वाद्रष्टावानरानना रेषाक्षी केकराक्षीचा बृहत्तुंडा सुराप्रिया कपालहस्ता रक्ताक्षीचा शुकीशेनी कपोतिका पाशहस्ता दंडहस्ता प्रचंडा चंडविक्रमा शिशुघ्नी पाशहंत्रीचा काली रुधिरपायनी वासापाना गर्भरक्षा शवहस्तांत्रमालिका वृक्षकेशी महाकुक्षिर नागास्या प्रेतपृष्ठका दंदशूकधरा क्रौंची मृगशृंगा वृषानना फाटितास्या धूम्रश्वासा व्योमपादोर्ध्वदृष्टिका तापिनी शोषिणी स्थूलघोड़ोष्ठा कोटरी तथा विद्युल्लोला वलाकास्या मार्जरी कटपूतना अट्टहास्या च कामाक्षी मृगाक्षी चेती तामतः।